This is Rainbow, a two-wheel balancing robot, and it's based on James Burton's two-wheel balancing robot Sonic. Here I'm showing how the load cells work. The load cells actually measure tension or distortion on the 20-40 millimeter aluminum legs, and then move the motors, the leg motors on the top. The Teensy 3.6 processor actually has a slot for an SD card. So now I've added data logging because I want to be able to see how the numbers, how the motors actually move according to what I'm telling it to do. So when the two-wheel balancing robot first starts, it jerks back and forth till it gets balanced. So now it's balanced, it's figured out the balance, and it's safe to drive it around. So this particular part of the movie is shot with a GoPro camera on a tripod. So besides adding data logging to a Rainbow, I've also added an Adafruit NeoPixel ring, and as I give it different commands, the colors on the rings change. Unfortunately, for some reason, the colors don't show up well with the camera. So this is the 5th time, I think, that I've used it, Rainbow, in the pole barn, and this time basically I just want to collect some data so I can see how the motors are responding. Here you can see that the NeoPixel ring was green right then. So as that spins around, the direction it turns, that leg actually shrinks a little or gets shorter, so it leans into the turn. This is the view of the GoPro camera that's sitting on Rainbow, looking down on the front. That noise is wind noise. You can also hear the motors. That creaking sound is actually the motor going up and down as it turns, shortening the leg. Here you can definitely see how the motors are going up and down on the legs. So there's 4 motors on this, 1 for each wheel and 1 for each leg. I have a spotter in case I lose control of Rainbow. My spotter's going to save it. Thanks for watching.